My Ivy Park is here. Oh my, it's Heather. So, I'm just making all types of videos today. Finally. Hopefully, they don't stay stuck in my camera roll like the rest of my videos. Ooh. Yep. It's an unboxing. Okay. My Ivy Park came in the mail. My black drip. Black drip? What was it called? Drip 2.2. The black pack. That's what it's called. So I ordered my bucket hat. I've been wanting a bucket hat. Like, I know they're back in. And I love when guys wear them. Ooh, yeah, give me a guy with a bucket hat. But no, I've been wanting one personally. So I got my black one. It's really, come on. You know we love good material. Like, this feels nice. Okay, so hopefully it looks good on me because I'm not really a hat person. I'm going to try it on for y'all right here, right now. You know, when my hair is hanging and I got an outfit on, it's going to be cute. But wow, it's nice and snug. It fits. Like, I dig it. It's light. I feel real. I like this. Okay. Okay, I just took off the bucket hat. I love it. I love it. It's cute. It's real cute. So let me tell y'all about how my cart was full. It was ready to go. And I kid you not, before the clock struck 2:01, because the launch was at 2, before I can move my mouse to submit, things were popping up. This item is no longer available. This item, I said, and then I had to get it together and hurry up and click that button. So I was able to get what I got. And this is the other thing. I got the bodysuit, which I'm super excited to put on. But yeah, this is a really quick review because I got 2 items and folded nicely, black and gold, real classy. I love the turtleneck situation. My chair can't scoot up. Oh, here we go. I love the turtleneck look. And the mesh sleeves are real thick and nice. And we have a cute situation going here. And I can't wait to make an outfit out of you. Got the Adidas logo here on the sleeve. Black on black. Black, black, bliggity black. This is a snappy snap. Ooh, nice and stretchy. And we good. Like, I'm super excited. Hopefully she drops some more stuff and I can, oh, actually, oh dang, it's today. Today, the items launched in stores. So maybe I can go pick up what the other stuff that I want. But I'm gonna try this on for you guys and, well, actually, maybe not because I don't have an outfit together yet. And plus I need to lose a little weight. Ooh, girl, this belly, honey. Anyway, that's all. I wanted to show y'all the black pack that I got and go watch some other videos for the other products. Okay, bye. Hey. Okay. I tried her on. I wasn't going to, but you're gonna get, oh, ignore my grouchy panties. So, oh, am I good? Let me hold it in. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me see. It's real V, real high-waisted. I'm very quarantined down here, so I ain't gonna show too much. But you know, that's life. It feels so good. good. It feels so good. Okay, I don't have no bra on. We're sitting pretty. It zips up. It's very turtle. I don't think my neck is long enough for this type of turtle. And the double chin is getting in the way, but that's fine. I don't plan on wearing it like this anyway. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like I got on a bomb jacket. Like, it's so comfy and it's warm. I love whatever material this is. Polyester? I don't know, but like, it's the sleeves for me. I feel like, you know that decorative fabric? It's like a mesh type of situation. It's like that. Like, I feel like Christmas. Like, I am the bow, okay? But anyway, this is my review. And it got here quick. Like, the drop was just on the 17th. Today's the 19th, and it's in my hands. So, it goes, this is as far as it goes. But yeah. Oh, how beautiful is the trim? Oh, the trim. Like that, when I just did that just now, I was like, oh, is that me? No, it's the trim. How lovely is that? I love it. And then, like I said, the Adidas logo is right there. Okay. Oops. This is the hat, like I said. Don't think I would wear them together, but this is, yeah, I probably won't wear them together. Definitely not my style. Together. But this is the hat. You know, there's like different ways. Like, you don't have to have it pressed down, but you know. You know, this is my first time wearing a bucket hat in my adulthood. Like, I haven't had a bucket hat on since I was like 11. So that's exciting. Anyway, that's my black pack review. My 2 items. Goodbye.